Welcome to Technia TV. I, Dr. Namita Mishra, Faculty of Management from Technia Institute of Advanced Studies, going to deliver a lecture on final accounts. So now we know what is a final accounts and why it is prepared. Final accounts are the accounts which are prepared at the end of the financial year. It gives idea of the financial position of the business at the end of the year to different stakeholders like the owners of the business or the other interested party. It is the last process of accounting cycle. Usually a final account includes the following components: manufacturing account, trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet. Now let us discuss each one of them. First, trading account. Trading account is prepared to calculate the gross profit or gross loss of the business out of the sale and purchases for the particular accounting period. Now we will study debit side of the trading account, or how the debit side of the trading account is prepared, or what are the items that are recorded in the debit side of the trading account. First one is the opening stock. Opening stock. Closing stock of the last financial year is appeared in the debit side of the trading account as to opening stock of the current financial year. Then second one is the purchases. Total purchases that is recorded in the debit side of the trading account, and total purchases means that is the net purchases or the purchases made in the particular period, or the return if any that will be deducted from the purchases to calculate the net purchase, including cash purchases and credit purchases of the traded goods during the current financial year appear to as a purchases in the debit side of the trading account. Then we will discuss about the direct expenses that are recorded in the trading account. Expenses incurred directly before the production is called direct expenses, like freight charges, cartage or carriage charges, custom duty or import duty, then gas, electricity, fuel, water, packaging of material, wages, and any other expenses incurred in this regard comes under the debit side of the trading account and appeared as to particular name of the expenses. Now I am going to discuss how the sales is recorded in trading account. The sales is recorded in the credit side of the trading account. Total sale of the traded goods including cash and credit sales will appear at outer column of the credit side of the trading account as by sales. Sales should be on net realizable value excluding central sales tax, VAT, custom and excise duty. Then the closing stock. Total value of unsold stock of the current financial year is called as closing stock and will appear at the credit side of the trading account. So closing stock equal to, how do you calculate closing stock? Closing stock equal to opening stock plus net purchases made in that particular period less net sale. So then we discuss what is the difference of these items. That is the gross profit that is calculated through the trading account. So gross profit is the difference of direct revenue and the cost of providing services or making product. Then the operating profit, from where the operating profit is calculated. The operating profit is the difference of revenue and the cost generated by the ordinary operation. Now we will discuss how the trading account is prepared. Look at the format of the trading account. The trading account have also two side, debit and credit side. In the debit side, first of all you need to record to opening stock, then to purchases made, and the net purchase always comes in the trading account as you know. Then all the direct expenses made before the production process, and in the credit side you will record the sales, then whatever the closing stock is there, then after that you need to balance the trading account, and in the balancing you will find out the gross profit and the gross loss. That is as per the balancing. If the debit side of or the expenses is more than the revenue, there is a gross loss. If the revenue is more than the expenses, there is a gross profit, and that gross profit will be transferred to the profit and loss account whenever you will prepare the profit and loss account to calculate the net profit of the business. Following references has been taken for preparing this script and the video. So I hope you understand the lecture, and for watching more lecture, like and subscribe Technia TV. Thank you.